Welcome to our exploration of EVA foam sheets under the microscope. EVA, or expanded foam rubber, is a versatile material widely used for sports equipment padding. From snow and water ski boots to bicycle saddles, hockey pads, and boxing gloves, EVA foam plays a crucial role in providing comfort and protection. Its ability to absorb impact shock makes it a popular choice for sports shoes as well. Now let's delve into the microscopic world of EVA foam. As we zoom in, we're greeted by a mesmerizing landscape of tiny pores and irregularities scattered across the surface of the foam. Each pore contributes to the foam's lightweight and cushioning properties, making it ideal for a wide range of applications. Under higher magnification, the surface of the foam reveals intricate patterns and textures. Tiny ridges and indentations create a tactile surface that enhances grip and traction, adding to the foam's functionality. But our exploration isn't just about what we can see. It's about understanding the role that EVA foam plays in our everyday lives. From its use in footwear and protective padding to its applications in arts and crafts, EVA foam has become an indispensable material in various industries.